Killbyte here. In this video, we're going to clean the mass airflow sensor. And let me give my standard disclaimer. This is what I do. And this video is for entertainment purposes only. It's found right here. To do so, you want to unplug it. Just press down here, squeeze that, pull it out. You'll need a Phillips head, screwdriver, pull those out, try not to lose them. And there it is. And you will need mass airflow sensor cleaner. Make sure it is the stuff that works on your vehicle. In this case, the Mazda. This one says it works on all vehicles somewhere, all gas and diesel vehicles equipped with mass airflow sensors. And then it's got a little disclaimer. I love how it waits till number 10 down here to say, don't use on vehicles with Karman Vortex airflow sensor, i.e. or EG, excuse me. Toyota Supra turbos, Mitsubishis, and most Lexus vehicles. Yeah, you got to buy a different type for those. On these, it's really hard to touch them with your fingers, so you're good there. If they're really bad, you just don't have access at all. And on some, I have used Q-tips to clean them off. But you don't have that access on the Mazda ones. So what we're going to do is spray into that opening. Make sure you get it in there. And that's it. That's all you can do with these. But hopefully that'll be enough to get any residue that may have got caught on it. Now we put it back in. Do the opposite. Make sure it's dry. You don't want to ever get power to it when it's still wet. It will, it can ruin them. But you just retighten this. Don't over tighten. This is just into plastic. Oh, and I suggest doing this when it's cold, as in the engine has not been running. Done. That's all there is to it. I suggest doing it every, 10 to 20,000 miles or as needed. If it's running a little rough or something, your throttle response isn't quite what it was, go ahead and hit it. As long as you're using the right stuff, it won't hurt. So there you go. Hope it was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.